Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will discuss that what is the difference between plasma membrane and cell wall. So we will go in the discussion to get to know about the answer of this question, that what is the main difference between plasma membrane and cell wall. So let's start the video. Okay, so a plasma membrane and a cell wall are not the same thing. So there is a difference between both terms, that plasma membrane and a cell wall is totally different to each other. So first of all, we will know that what is a plasma membrane and what is the main difference between both terms. The plasma membrane, also called the cell membrane, is the outer membrane common to all living cells. So basically, plasma membrane is the outer. We can call it the outer membrane, which is common to all living cells. We call it cell membrane. We call it plasma membrane. We can call anything to this, and this is the outer membrane. Mind it that this one is the outer membrane. All living cells possesses the outer membrane, which is called the cell membrane, and you can also call it a cell membrane or a plasma membrane. So we will go further that what made we will go in the discussion of the plasma membrane, that the plasma membrane, also called the cell membrane, is the outer membrane common to all living cells, made up of a phospholipid bilayer. So, this outer membrane is made up of phospholipids. So this membrane is made up of phospholipids bilayer embedded proteins, in which proteins are embedded and some embedded proteins and some bound carbohydrates, protein plus carbohydrates. So a plasma membrane and a cell wall are not the same thing, as you know. As we said before, the plasma membrane, also called the cell membrane, is the outer membrane common to all living cells, made of a phospholipid bilayer, embedded protein and some bound carbohydrates. Because cell membranes are fragile in some types of cells, there are also external structures to support and protect the membrane, like the cellulose wall of plant cells and the chitin wall of some fungi cells. So as we discussed, that some cell membranes are fragile in some types of cells, not in all but in some type of cells. There are also external structures to support and protect the membrane, like the cellulose and the chitin wall of some fungi cells. Most bacteria also have an outer cell wall made of peptidoglycans. Some bacteria, as we know, also have an outer cell wall here, made of peptidoglycans and other organic substances. So I hope you would like this video and you will get the answer of this question. So don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.